Hi, this video is the personal journey for FUE hair transplant done by me, but Desmond will share his personal journey with the audience from the beginning, how hair loss affected him, his research, what surgery day looked like, the recovery, and what he has now. And I'm going to show the audience quickly what he looked like before. Again, that was that. He looked older with a high hairline and bald. And then look at that young handsome face come back out before, after. And again, you need both an artist and a surgeon to give you the most natural hairline and to give you the density. So I'm gonna turn the stage over to Desmond. So Desmond, go ahead. Can you share the audience what your personal journey for hair loss and hair treatment and hair transplant by the FUE method?
Sure. So I started balding like quite a while ago, like in college. I guess like stress, like my hair just started coming out after a while, and I just didn't like notice it for a while, or just didn't pay too much attention to it because like I'm the type of guy that doesn't really care about his hair too much. But after like I start losing like a fair amount, I start like worrying a bit about like how it looks, and so and I started like wearing hats like more often, and I eventually just like was the person that always wears a hat. And
you mentioned to me that everybody noticed that you always wear a hat wherever you go, huh?
Yeah.
And so okay, and then so it really affects how you wear your hair, and you have to wear a hat. So can you share with the audience how you found my clinic, and what made you decide on my clinic, and what surgery they look like too, by the way?
There were, let's see. Oh, I was doing just Google searches like for like a hair loss treatments, and I found like a bunch of different doctors that like did different treatments, but like what mattered to me was like trying to find like a doctor that catered more toward Asians, like and like it was hard to find like a person that had like a profile that was similar to like my hairline. So like looking at different YouTube videos, I found one of your videos with someone that had like a similar hairline, and so I wanted to go to you to like hopefully try to reproduce something like that for my hair.
Yeah. So you want a more natural hairline because you don't want a hairline that's too high, or where it doesn't fit your face, so, and okay, great. Can you share the audience what's surgery day look like, and if you remember, and then what's the recovery like, and when the hair regrow back, and then go ahead.
Okay. Surgery day, I just came in, I just like came in and just went with it. It's
Well, 6:30 in the morning, 5:30, 6:30 in the morning, I believe.
Oh, was that early?
Yeah, okay. And then you sign paperwork, okay. But do you remember anything on surgery day?
I remember lunch.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like I was knocked out pretty good, so like I didn't feel or remember much of it.
Yeah, you don't remember pain at all?
No, it wasn't painful at all.
Yeah, and that's the great part about surgery, because sometimes depending on how much medicine you want, and if I can give you titrate the dose where you don't remember the pain, and because it doesn't have to be unpleasant surgery. So that's where we do it, and then we numb you up, and surgery shouldn't be. How about recovery? Can you share the audience what do you remember the recovery, and when the hair started to regrow back for you?
The main thing I remember recovery was like the numbing on the back side of the head. It made it kind of hard to sleep sometimes, so that you'll need to pay attention to for like the first few days. And yeah, really soft pillows really help.
When the hair, how about the swelling? Do you remember anything? And when did the swelling disappear?
The swelling on the top?
Your face, you don't remember that part?
I don't remember swelling on my face.
Okay, good. Okay, and when the hair, you first noticed the hair regrow back for you? And when you have full density?
It was a while, like, because it gets a little worrisome during the shedding period, like after a few months. It looks nice at first, like after you get like the crust that comes off, but like it grows out for a little bit and it looks kind of nice like for the first few months, but like then it starts shedding and then you start wearing a little bit, and that's a little part you just have to like get through.
A lot of people get nervous at that stage, you know. They say, oh my gosh, well, you know, I spend all this money and I don't see much hair, you know, and it's normal and everybody shed, right? And but don't freak out because the hair will regrow back. When do you notice the hair first regrow back for you?
It started looking better around like 6 months ish.
6 months?
Yeah.
Good. And full density around a year, 8 months or 9 months?
Like maybe 9 months for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But the hair first regrow back around 3 or 4 months, as you mentioned to me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It started.
But pretty good density around 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And did anybody notice you have hair transplant done?
No, I actually have to note and mention it usually,
Good.
like really point it out. So.
But did anybody say you look different, like younger, or you get a tan, or you lose weight, or any of that stuff?
Oh yeah.
Did
like,
they make comment?
Yeah, some people like notice like it's like, oh, your hair looks good when it's longer. It's like
Well, which is good, and that's kind of give you a clue that you know no one will know you have had surgery. Why? Because the hairline is natural. Okay. And that's if you have an hairline where you do it too high. I understand the mature hairline, but when you do too high, it draws attention to you, and you don't want to do too low too. It draw attention. And the key word is it had to be proportional, and that's where the artistry came in. And when you see it very proportional in your overall face, and your handsome come out. Now you look like Bruce Lee to me. You actually do martial art too, right? So, all right. Well, I call him my Bruce Lee hair. But anyway, thank you, Desmond, for sharing this with the audience. It's very helpful for other Asian guy because it's very rare for us to find an Asian guy with to show full face. But you know, because he want to return the favor by seeing a couple other Asian guy who are actually brave enough to show their result online with my work, and now Desmond is living proof. And that you know has hair and it looks good, and now he wants to you know show the audience and to help you know other Asian guy that you know hair transplant can be done, and it can be done right and natural and dense. And thank you again, Desmond. Bye bye.